Hi, so hello everyone. In this video, we'll be reshooting the demo for our project AI-based system design builder, and based on the constructive feedback which we received, addressing some of the critical errors in our project, such as we were manually running the main.py file, and then that was not the correct integration with the AI workbench. Additionally, our project also had missing .project folder, which had the spec YAML file and config packs, and because it was missing, the project was not clonable onto other systems. So the thing is, we have fixed all those issues, and we have this time integrated it properly with the workbench. So thank you, team, for suggesting us that. And this is our updated GitHub. Like our GitHub project, and we have updated this link on our dev post submission as well. And as you can see, this has the .project folder having the spec YAML and config packs. And similarly, we have updated our README file completely, which shows proper steps on how we can directly clone this project and run without any need for manual attention. So like we can directly clone and project can start running onto any system, and we have verified it as well. So let's just copy this link and clone our project into AI workbench. So hit clone, and then this can take around a minute. So, and once it is done, you can say the building will start automatically once the cloning is done. And then again, this can take around a minute once we get the build ready. And once we have this, a direct button will appear here saying open AI system design builder. So we don't have to configure any environment variables. There is no need to configure any secret key, absolutely nothing. So we just have to hit this open AI system design builder button, and this will start the project, and the project will open in the new tab in your browser. Yes, you will get such type of notification, and yes, perfect. The project will automatically start in your local host in the new tab, and we can additionally test by manually clicking these components, dragging them, playing around with the design, using this build connection button to build the graph and arrows. And at the same time, we can also use this delete component button to delete the component and the connections associated with it. And we can manually move the components and all play with the design as well. Apart from this, we can also put our manual queries like design Uber, something like this, and hit the send button. And what this does is, based on how complex your query is, it sends the request to the backend where we have integrated it with our LLM, and that will try to generate the design, and it will return the output in the form of an adjacency list matrix. And then that adjacency list for graph will be rendered in the front end and will be presented. So this process can take around 30 to 40 seconds. And we have also fixed our previous issue where the graph was being displayed randomly, so and then it required manual redragging of components to make it look simplified. So this time we have also simplified the design, and we are already making it look more cleaner. But just in case if that doesn't work, we can always also redrag the components again, just in case if required. However, the design already looks good and clean. So yes, I believe this time we have integrated this correctly. So thank you, team, for this feedback. And yes, anyone can now run this onto their system. All they require is the AI workbench to be installed, and they can directly clone this project from this particular repository. We have also updated this demo on our YouTube and on the dev post submission as well. So I hope this helps, and please feel free to try out our project. And thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next one.